out, share and play together happily? Wouldn't that be amazing? Hello everyone, my name is Shivanya. I'm 8 years old and I'm from Johan Bandar Puteri Puchong. Today, I've been talking about how to be a better person. The first way to be a better person is by helping others be smart. Sometimes homework or lessons can be really hard. I've seen my friends struggle and I know how to feel. So when I can, I help them, especially in English. When they're sad or worried, I tell them, it's okay, don't give up, you can do it. And guess what? The smiles come back. The second way is play with others with creativity. Playing together teaches us teamwork and feels everyone is included. And that's kind of what I'm believing. The third way is simple but very powerful. Be kind. When someone falls, help them up. I learned it by watching others show kindness and by doing it myself, and it feels amazing. Can I get a raise from someone who does agree with me? So, together, let's be better person for the world and ourselves. Being a better person doesn't take money, or fame, or power. It's only take kindness, creativity, and a heart that wants to help. If we choose kindness, we choose creativity. If we help others, we become brave. Together, let's be better person for the world and for ourselves. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Shivanya.